Good morning children, open your New Sparkle semester series standard 2nd semester 2nd book, page number 41. This is the last lesson of 2nd standard. Tarun and Tania go for swimming. Tarun and Tania go for swimming. It was Wednesday, it was a holiday. It was Wednesday, it was a holiday. Tarun, Tania and their friends Rajan and Roshni went to the Gandhi swimming pool to swim. They carried their lunch with them. So what happened? Tarun and Tania go for swimming. Go for swimming. It was Wednesday. It was Wednesday. It was a holiday. Tarun, Tania and their friends Rajan and Roshni went to the Gandhi swimming pool to swim. They carried their lunch with them. So take down the difficult words, that is the spelling of Wednesday, then holiday, Tarun, Tania, friends, Rajan, Roshni, Gandhi, swimming pool. Then carried lunch. Okay. Tarun asked, what have you bought for lunch? Tarun asked, spelling take down, ASKD, asked. What you have brought, PROUGHT, lunch. I bought chocolate cake and idli. My mom baked this cake for all of us, said Rajan. I brought chocolate cake, idli. Mom baked. Okay, these are the difficult words. I brought cheese, sandwiches and fruits, said Roshni. Roshni, what she bought? Cheese, sandwiches, fruits. Who bought this? Roshni. Roshni spelling is already given. We have vegetable sandwiches and upma in the box, said Tania. We had vegetable upma. We will share our food, but first let us go for a swim, said Tarun. We will share our tiffin. Okay. We will share our tiffin. Share our food. Food spelling. First, said Tarun. They took the permission of the pool attendant and placed their lunch boxes on a table near the pool. They took the permission of the pool attendant and placed their lunch boxes on a table near the pool. Take down the spelling of took, TOOK, then permission, attendant, placed, boxes, table, near, pool. Okay. Then they went for a swim. They played in the pool. They swim from one end to the other. They spent 1 hour in the pool. Again take down the spelling, played. One end to the other, OTHER, other. They spent, spent 1 hour in the pool. They were hungry. The spelling of hungry. They were hungry. They came out of the pool and changed their swimming clothes. They came out of the pool. The spelling of changed and clothes. All of them sat around the table. All of them sat around the table. Sat spelling sat around the table. Okay. They opened their lunch boxes and shared their food with one another. They opened, shared, one another spelling. They enjoyed the variety of snacks. They spent 4 hours swimming and playing. They spent spelling is given. Yes. 4 hours. Hour spelling take down. Swimming and playing. Okay. These are the words of the lesson. Tarun and Tanya go for swimming with the friends. So, it was Wednesday, children. It was Wednesday. It was a holiday. Tarun, Tanya and their friends Rajan and Roshni went to Gandhi's swimming pool to swim. So, as it was Wednesday, what they did, it was a holiday. It was holiday for them. Okay. They decided to go for a swimming pool. The name of the swimming pool was Gandhi Swimming Pool. They carried with them lunch boxes. Tarun asked, "What have you bought for lunch today?" "What you have bought?" "I bought chocolate." "I bought cereal." Tarun asked, "What have you brought for lunch?" "I brought chocolate, cake and idli. My mom baked this cake for all of us," said Rajan. Rajan, what he said? "My mother has given." Tarun asked, "What you have bought in your tiffin lunch box today?" That time he said that, "I have bought chocolate cake, idli, and my mother has baked. She has prepared the cake for everyone." "I bought cheese, sandwiches and fruits," said Roshni. Roshni bought what? Cheese and sandwiches and fruits. Roshni said, "We have vegetable sandwiches and upma in the box," said Tanya. Tanya what bought? Vegetable sandwiches and upma pit in the box, said Tanya. We will share our food. But before we share our food, first we will go for a swim. First we will go for swimming, to swim, said Tarun. They took the permission of the pool attendant. They have to take permission to go into the pool, and place their lunch boxes on a table near the pool. Near the pool there was a table. They all kept their tiffin over there, and then they went for a swim. They played in the pool. They swim from one end to the other. They spent 1 hour in the pool. 1 hour they were swimming. They were hungry. After swimming, they were very hungry. They came out of the pool and changed their swimming clothes. After swimming, they were tired. All dress were wet, no. So they wanted to change. They changed their dress. Swimming, all clothes were wet, so they changed their dress. And all of them sat around the table. You can see the picture, no? Swimming picture also you can see here. Swimming means what? Terna. All of them sat around the table. They opened their lunch boxes and shared their food with one another. Shared one another. उसका टिफिन वो खाना, उसका टिफिन वो खाना, एक दूसरे का टिफिन बांट कर खाना. They enjoyed a variety of snacks. Whatever they have bought, they were very happy with the snacks, variety of snacks. They spent 4 hours swimming and playing. They were so happy that they spent their 4 hours swimming and playing. So, oral work. What do you do on a holiday on Sunday? On What you do on a holiday on Sunday? Yes. Where do you go on Sundays? Where do you go on Sundays? Which is your favorite game? Which is your favorite game? How do you get ready for a picnic? For a picnic, how you get ready? After that, where do you like to go for a picnic? Where do you like to go, children? You also like to go to the swimming pool like this. Tarun and Tanya and their friends. You can enjoy. You can enjoy a lot. This is the oral work. This is the oral work what you have to do. Yes. So, today's homework will be Tarun and Tanya go for swimming. You have to read the lesson carefully and write the difficult words for 5 times. For 5 times. Have you understood the homework for today? Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.